I want to share with you the last common mistake, number 7, that can make your trademark journey more difficult and expensive. Not seeking professional advice or assistance when needed. Watch this video and learn how to avoid it. Trademark law is complex and dynamic, and it can be challenging to navigate it on your own. While there are many online resources and tools that can help you with some aspects of trademark registration and protection, they are not a substitute for professional advice or assistance from a qualified trademark attorney. A trademark attorney can help you with every step of the process, from conducting a comprehensive search and clearance, to drafting and filing your application, to responding to any office actions or oppositions, to maintaining and enforcing your rights. To avoid this mistake, you need to seek professional advice or assistance when needed. You can use the internet or referrals to help you with finding a reputable and experienced trademark attorney near you. But don't rely on these alone. You should also do your own research and check the credentials, reviews, and testimonials of the attorney you choose. You should also communicate clearly and regularly with your attorney and follow their instructions and recommendations. Don't make this mistake and risk losing your trademark rights. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.